So how far of a distance can these artesian systems move water? Well, the answer is infinite, right? So we talked about the scale where we have these hundreds of thousands of square kilometers over these systems can work versus a very localized system. And this is a really good example of a giant groundwater system that takes advantage of pressure gradients over hundreds of miles. This is in South Dakota, and it's in the Black Hills of South Dakota. And so you can see in this diagram that we have the Black Hills over on the left, on the west side of the state, and that is where the recharge area for this giant Dakota sandstone is. So we have this recharge area, and rain falls just on the east side of the Black Hills, percolates down, and travels over to the um, eastern side of the state and enters the Dakota Sandstone. Above the Dakota Sandstone, we have this Cretaceous shale, which is this confining layer, and below it we have crystalline rock, which is a aquitard as well. So we're able to sink lots and lots of wells, and they turn out to be flowing artesian wells because that potentiometric surface is going to be at about the same level as the recharge area, which is a much higher elevation than the topography is in the area of the flowing artesian wells. So this is an example of a very large system. Where can we find an example of a very localized system? Do we need to have this giant amount of area to get the same type of thing to work?